Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video and welcome to the new playlist called String Level 1, which is one level up from the String Level 0 which we have already completed. So the scope of this video is to understand or solve how to find the subsequence of any string. So you will be having one string, two string basically. One is the input string and second one is the check input substring. So we need to find the substring which is given is the subsequence of a given string or not. In order to do that, first we are going to understand what exactly is the subsequence. So when we are discussing about the subsequence, the definition is something like that. You have the one string where string is the combination of character, right? So we have the string. Out of a string, if we will be deleting the any of the character without disturbing the order, then that all the possible string are subsequence. So the definition goes like that. You have the substring. From there, either you have to delete all the character, or you don't have to delete any character, or you have to delete one character, or you have to delete more than one character. So the combination of these four things, the outcome whatever it will, that is called a subsequence. So here I have the string called API. I have deleted all the three characters, so I don't have any character. So that is the empty string. Out of API I have deleted two characters where P and I. So I got one A, which is the subsequence. Same as I got the P while deleting A and I, where P is the subsequence of API. Same as we have deleted the A and P, I got the I, as well as I is the subsequence. Now twist here is that we have the API, okay? Out of API, I have deleted only one character. Now the subsequence becomes the AP, okay? But AP is the subsequence of the API, whereas PA is not the subsequence of the API, because in between P and A, there is no character here. Here we have A and P. Suppose that in between P and A, there should be any character and that got deleted, then we can say PA should be the subsequence. But for PA, we don't have any character, right? That's the reason A and P is the subsequence. Now considering here, we have the API. In between A and I, we have the P which we have deleted and we got the AI. Then we can say that AI is the subsequence of API. But IA is not the subsequence of the API because we don't have anything called I and A. A first came and then I came. In between A and I, we got the P which we have deleted and we received the AI. Same as we have deleted the A and we received P and I, which is the subsequence. And out of API, we have not deleted any of the character, then API itself is also called the subsequence. So we got total 8 subsequence. Formula here is to count the total number of subsequence with the length of the given string, which is 3, 2 to the power n, where n equal to 3 here. So 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So all possible subsequence for the 3 character string is only total number of 8. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the substring. So how we are going to achieve the in programmatic way? So first what we are going to do, we will have the two string. One is the input string and one is the input substring, where we are going to find it out whether the input substring is the subsequence or not of a given string. Okay. So first we will traverse from the given string from start to end. Okay. And then match the character of a input string to the input substring. Okay. So there matching will happen. We have the two substring. We will match the character of both the string. Okay. While matching, if match when success, then we will increase the index by 1 of the input substring. Okay. If matches happen. Okay. And then once all the for loop done, means we are able to scan all the character, then we will see what is the value of j. Okay. Index of the substring. If index of the substring is equal to the length of substring, then we can say that okay, we found the all the matches, and in that way we can return the true like substring found. Let's code it, then we are going to understand what exactly we are discussing here. So here I have created one class called subsequence string, where I have the one main method. Inside the main method I have created one input string called ABCD, okay, and the input substring called AD. This is perform check. Okay, we need to perform whether A and D is the substring of ABCD or not. Okay. In order to do that, we have created one method called validate subsequence, where we are passing two parameters, input string as well as input substring, and we are receiving it here. Okay. As per our algorithm, what we are going to do is that first we are going to scan our input string, which is nothing but ABCD. Okay. So here I am going to scan. Okay. Now what I want to do is that I want to match the character from input string as well as character from input substring. In order to get the character from input substring, I also need to get the indexes for that. So I'm just trying to traverse along with this loop only. So I'm just checking that since I'm just making the index of the input string, in the same way I'm just having one j, which I'm just creating the index of the substring. Okay, and here I am putting int j equal to 0. Right. So now I am traversing both the string, input string as well as the input substring. We have the check here for the substring as well as the input string. I am checking here if input string dot charact I, means character from the first index initially from the input string, is equal to input substring dot charact j. Okay. So if I am able to find, then what I am doing is that I am just increasing j to j plus 1. That's all. We'll do the dry run. Don't worry. In that way, I am just increasing the j by 1. So what will happen? I got the A matched with A. Okay. I have increased the value of j to 1. Came to B, since I is also increasing here. Now B is matched with D or not? No match. So I did not come into this loop. In this check, hence J did not increase. J is still 0. J is still 1. Now I got I as a increment, where I becomes I pointing to C. C is equal to D, not equal to D. Then J is also not increasing. Now again came to the D. D is equal to D. Yes. Then J is increasing. So first time J value was J equal to 0. Okay. Then J equal to 1. Okay. J equal to 1. Okay. j equal to 1. First time you can say j equal to j. In that way, okay, since j is starting from 0, so I can say initially j equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Next equal to 2. In that way we can say. So to length of this, okay, so the last value of j is 2. Okay. Now what I am doing here is, if j equal to input substring length. If j value, which is 2, matched with the length of input substring, then we can say we got the substring, means this is the substring. So what I can say here is that equal to true. Let's check another condition also. Let's put here m. Okay. Now what we'll do, we got the I equal to 0. At 0th position, we got the a. For j, 0th position, we got the a. Okay. A and a matched, j value becomes 1, j plus. Done. Second time we got the b. B did not match with the m. Fine. C did not match with the m. Fine. D did not match with the m. Fine. So finally, j value will be 1 only. In this case, right? J value will be 1 only. 1 is not equal to the length of substring. Hence, we can say that we couldn't be able to find all the character of substring into the given string. So this is the only hack here. Okay. So for now I'm just making b. Later we can change it. So that's the reason I just made this flag here. If j equal to input substring length, then we can say we found the substring. Okay. And then at the end we are returning the substring. And here let's click run as Java application. If you see true. If you put here m, right click, run as, it should give the false. It is giving the false. We have the AB. If we put B and A, this should also give the false because BA shouldn't be the substring. False. It is correct. Now, if I am not having any character, then also we can say this is the substring, which means true. This should give the true. It is not giving the true because it should give the true. So let me check here what is the problem. Okay. Here this shouldn't be there. It should go out of for loop. After completing the for loop, it should be out of for loop. That's the reason it was not giving the true. So here it should give the true. So right click, run as Java application. If you see now it is giving true. By mistaken it went into the for loop. Okay, that is ending it here. So now if you put all the characters here, this should also be a subsequence. Okay, it should give the true. Here it is true. So in that way we are able to find the true. Now there will be one possibility. We have the ABCD, which is the given string, and we are trying to find the input substring, which is the E. See, ABCDE is never be a substring of ABCD because it has the more character from the given string. Substring length is less than or equal to the given string. It shouldn't be greater than. So we can have one check here saying that if input substring like this one, input substring dot length is greater than input string dot length. Then we can easily say that is subsequence equal to false. No point to go into this loop itself. From here it will get terminated. The best way we can keep it here. If length is fine, then we are setting false and we are returning it here. If length is not greater than, then only we have to come into this loop and we need to do the operation. Okay. Now right click, run as Java application. You see it should give the false. Now what you can do is delete all the characters and check it is giving true or not. Right click, run as Java application. It should give the true. And just copy this one, paste it here, and AB, okay, not AB, AB shouldn't, okay, AD, sorry, we can put the AD, this should also give the true only. Right click, run as Java application, true. Now we put the DA, this should give the false. Right click, run as Java application, DA, okay. So we have done with all the possible way it's supposed to be there, and we are getting the expected result here. Okay, so this is all about to find the subsequence, check the subsequence of a given string. Okay, just recapping again, so we just traverse from all the way, okay, from A to D, and then while traversing we are matching each character. If matched, then we are increasing j value by 1. This once we are done with the for loop, then we are coming to the next here and checking if the j value is equal to the subsequence substring length or not. If equal to length means we matched all the value. Since we matched, that's why we are returning it true. If not match, then automatically it went to the false. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video.